With social media, businesses are able to communicate to all of its readers quickly and efficiently. There are three major types of relationships with this communication. These include B2B, or business to business, B2C, or business to consumer, and C2C, or consumer to consumer relationships. We will focus on the main two, which are business to business and business to consumer. Social media can be used in many ways for both of these relationships, including sales promotions and customer service for business to consumer interactions, and for competitive reasons or to form alliances for business to business interactions. A major difference between the two is professionalism versus emotional posts. B2C posts will typically tap into basic human needs or emotions to attract customers, while B2B posts are more professional and generally motivated by vendors, budgets, and business goals. Another difference is the channels that each of them use. Business to consumer posts are usually use social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and sometimes YouTube, while B2B interactions focus more on LinkedIn, Facebook, and sometimes Twitter. Duplantis Design Group relies heavily on Facebook to share their information.